Hi, I'm Antonis Tzanidakis. I'm here in Stamperia and I have to show you my new collection, Sir Vagabond in Fantasy World. Sir Vagabond at some point got lost and then we brought him back, and after the Magic Forest I thought Sir Vagabond is perfect to be in Fantasy World. You can see the colors. I just love everything about the collection. We gave some baroque style and of course Sir Vagabond with beautiful colors. Creatures, we have a lady, and then something very important, we add flowers this time. We have very beautiful things. And you can see like blending a lot of architecture, a lot of baroque styles. We have also the beautiful train. I'm very inspired with the colors, the theme, everything. Sir Vagabond came back in totally different way. And as you can see, we have also, as always, 8x8 and 12x12. And here is the background that comes also 12x12 and 8x8. Mechanical, beautiful colors, baroque style mixed with a lot of gears and cogs, symbols. I mean, that's beautiful, beautiful collection. A lot of different colors that you can have nice contrasts when you make your projects. In this collection, of course, we have also the washi pad and 4 ribbons. Very nice, very beautiful elements to work on your projects. Flowers, the train, some cogs, and butterflies and baroque again. Very, very, very beautiful. And then the washi pad, very easy to use, like kind of sticker, but you have the ceramic pen that you have to cut around or cut with your scissors. I'm so happy about the collection, guys, I can tell you that. And as always, we have wooden shapes and decorative chips. Like, that's a beautiful collection and it goes perfect with the other Sir Vagabonds and very nice also with the Magic Forest. And we have also 4 silicone molds, A5. And don't forget, it's for card making, journal, scrapbooking, mixed media, whatever you want to do is all here in one pad. Fantasy World, Sir Vagabond by Antonis Tzanidakis. It's not only about this collection, you can use them everywhere you like. An amazing baroque, full-size mold. And then we have the 2 frames. That's a very nice idea. We have a frame and then we have a smaller one. And then we have 4 different corners, different options. Finally, we have a gear, silicone mold, A5, very beautiful designs, and we're gonna use that forever and for everything. And don't forget also the A4 plastic molds, a lot of options, a lot of elements for your projects. We have ephemera and die cuts. So we have also 4 beautiful stencils. Mixed media stencils, thick material, amazing designs. Clear stamps. And we have also, of course, A4 rice papers. And we have the rice paper background selection in a little pack that you can use for card making, art journal, and whatever you want to do. Very beautiful rice papers, very nice colors. Fabrics, 4 designs, and we have very beautiful background. You're gonna love them. Sir Vagabond in Fantasy World is already all the shops around the world. Just go grab yours, have fun, enjoy. I cannot wait to see you in person, see you in my classes, and also see what you're going to create.